All right, so my original plan to paint match the bumper to this car got immediately folded. I have touch-up paint right here, 587, which is Cabriolet red, but this, unfortunately, is just entirely too faded and it doesn't even match. It looks better on camera than it does in person, but that is gonna stick out like a sore thumb if I paint that bumper that color, especially being this close to the nose panel. That's gonna look, yeah, it's gonna look kind of rough. So I'm not sure if I still wanna go through with that because again, I got it for two reasons. One, to paint that, and because I thought about clearing this whole car again, I wanted to touch up some of these areas where there's no paint to give it like a light spray, light coat. But even then, I think it's gonna look like two different reds and then put clearing over it, and that'll make it look really bad too. So if I pop the hood, I can show you some good paint. So if you look at this area right here, that's good paint. And that is like a perfect match. That looks absolutely great. But of course, that hasn't been in the sun for 38 years. So yeah, this paint definitely looks different than this paint. So it's not even close. So I may not waste my time trying to paint the front bumper just to end up having to do something else anyways. So gotta figure out what direction I'm gonna go color-wise, because I like the color. I think the color's dope. That's why I wanted to clear it again. But if it's gonna look really, really bad after a clear, it's kind of a waste of time. So I'm about to figure something out. But anyways, we got something else to do on this car today that will drastically change the look of it. So let's bring it in the shop and I'll show you what I got. So I just bought wheels for this thing for $100. I saw them listed for $125. I met the guy, there was only 4 in the picture. When I met him, he had 5. So I said, okay, cool. So these are $25 each. He laughed, he said, yeah. I said, cool, I'll just take 4 for $100. He laughed, he said, go ahead, take them, and here's the 5th wheel. So he didn't want to take that last wheel and sell it. So I have 5 wheels. Probably not gonna use the 5th one for $100. So we're gonna throw them on this thing. One thing I'm worried about is that they're 18s. 18s might be a little big for this car, but we're gonna see. They are Mercedes, they should fit. And yeah, let's get them out of here. Let's get these, I think they're 15s off this car. So it's gonna make a drastic change. Yeah, these are 15s. So going from 15s to 18s is gonna be pretty wild. But I think they'll look good. Those wheels are actually pretty decent for $100 too. So I'm about to pull them out. They need to be cleaned up a little bit, but they're shiny. They're Mercedes wheels. And I think it's an excellent value. If I don't like them, then sell them later for way more than $100. So here are the wheels. Not bad for $100, right? Look at that, shiny chrome. There's no chrome peeling or anything like that. Like I said, this one has a slight bend right here, but we got 5, so we don't have to use that wheel. The rest of them look pretty good. It's a little bit of curb rash, but I mean, here's what it is, right? And I think they can clean up a little bit. I don't know what's going on here. Oh, that comes off too. So yeah, we can clean that up. These look huge. Okay, I'm curious to see how these really gonna fit. And these tires, again, need to be changed. I think they're all 225, 45, 18. Yeah, 225, 45, 18. So if we had like 215, 35, and they give it like a little bit of a stretch, because I think these are 8s. I'm about to check the specs and see if I can find them. The backs are pretty corroded. 18 by 8.5, actually. ET35, 18 by 8.5, ET35. Let me double check and see if they're all square. That way we know they're any go in the front or any go in the rear staggered or anything, but I mean, they look pretty, they look the same all around. All right, under further review, they actually are staggered. These 3 are 18 by 8. These 2 are 18 by 8.5. What the hell are these? They're like star things to get these center caps off. I don't think I have any of those with me. Nope, I am limited tools over here in my little toolbox. My big toolbox is at home, obviously. So let's see what you got. Tyler!
Oh, they're not Torx Plus, but the like the security Torx. I may have some. Let me look.
All right. So he's doing a big old off-road project over here. There's a lot of these, right? They have like,
yeah.
How many of these does he have?
Yeah, this one, mine, Lauren's, How many is in the yard?
6 of these. Man, it's a monster truck. Appreciate it. Yeah, all right, appreciate it. Success. All right, now I gotta break it loose. Hopefully it's not rusted on there. Actually, wait. Why is there an arrow there? Huh? Trying to confuse me? This might actually just come off. Let me see. Let's see. Yeah, I think this has to... Looks like it's moving. Oh yeah. That was fake. Okay. That was fake. What are these? Oh no. Bro, who puts wheel locks on these cars? Brake pads. Wow, these are tiny. There's no way that's a brake pad. Oh, it really is. Look how small that is. Dog, that's mad cute. Gotta be in here. Gotta be in here. Oh, I think this is it. I think this is it. Yes! Yes! I found it. I found it. Yes. Yes. These are aftermarket. Yeah, it's a European car. They shouldn't come with extended studs. And they look way too new to be on this car. These things are shiny. These things bling blowing. And it ain't even sunny in here. It's just regular light. Imagine that in the sun. Every time I come around your city, bling bling. All right, went ahead and cleaned them all up. And look at the shine in these things, man. They were clean before, but look at that thing, man. These things are so bright. Oh my God. All right, we got clearance. These are huge. Just put the rest on there, see what they look like. Oh, that's right on the bumper. All right, when it lowers, hopefully it goes back that way. If not, that's definitely hitting right here. All right, got some things on, boy. Got them things on, boy. All right, about to lower it now. Moment of truth. Will it fit? And does it look good? All right, what's the suspension gonna do? Oh, it's going back. It's going back. Oh, these things are so low in the air. Oh my God. This one in the front is flat. Yep, need a little bit of air. Need a little bit of air. But it does actually fit. Doesn't look terrible. It just needs to be lower. You know what I mean? It does need to be lower, you know what I'm saying? But as far as, again, smaller tire, slightly smaller tire, and lower, and this may actually look good. This may actually look good. Again, $100 wheels. $100 wheels. And it's good to actually have the specs now, because if, you know, get wheels later, then we'll know what we need. So right now we know 18 by 8.5 plus 35 fit on the rear, 18 by 8 plus 35 fits on the front. So if there's, you know, some BBSs or something that pop up that are 18 by 8 plus 35, then we know that's a good good look there. Especially if they're 17s. 17s would be better on this car, but not bad. So let's put some air in the tires and take it outside. Right now they are at 2.9 PSI. right, I'm whipping the foreign. Oh, we scrubbed. We scrubbed. We scrubbed already. Oh no. This thing is on stilts, man. This thing tall as hell. It needs to be lowered ASAP. Yeah, we're definitely rubbing fender right here. Or bumper, rubbing bumper. I heard it on this side, so it's probably doing it over here too. Yep, it's on it right now. Oh man. Yeah, we need caster adjustments. We gotta figure out how to adjust the caster on this thing. Put it more in the middle, and it won't do that. Or, again, run smaller wheels. Or smaller tires. Smaller tires will clear this up, honestly. I think smaller tires will clear this up. Let's go drive it. It's definitely gonna scrub, but try to drive it. Also, I think this thing needs gas again. When we first got it, it was hard to drive because it kept sputtering, and it's sputtering again. And I only put like 2 gallons in there, and now it's sputtering again. You can hear scrub. You can hear the tires scrub. Hold on. Let me put the windows down. They do work. It's gonna scrub. We whipping though. We whipping though. We whipping though. This car is so cool. We gotta do something. All right, we need smaller tires. That's really bad. I can smell it. I'm cooking the bumper. We gotta make a U-turn. I bet if I hit the brakes, it's gonna scrape. Yeah, that's what I was worried about. It's not really the 18s, it was the tires. That's what I was really worried about, the tires, the 225, 45, 18. Those are big tires. So, again, if they were 215, 35s will be fine. 35s will be fine. I think circumference-wise, it'd be like an inch smaller, going from 45 to 35. It'd be like a full inch shorter in circumference, which might be just enough to stop scraping the bumper. It'll still be lean kind of forward because that's how the suspension is right now, but it should work. But we on them things, boy. We on them things, boy. Oh man, it's a stance car now. All right, let me park this thing. It's gonna be a big scrape. Oh no, it was uphill, so we're good. You know what's funny about this? I kind of took over this project, right? If you guys remember, this is actually Sam's car. We were working on it together for the first few episodes, but she didn't really like to come up here on her days off, and I come up here on the weekends. So she likes to, you know, relax around the house, get sleep. So I just be going to the shop, just working on this thing, and then I just basically tell her what I did. I didn't even tell her I had wheels for this car, because again, they just kind of popped up. So I just bought them, threw them in the garage, and then now we're here. So Sam, she's probably gonna see this on YouTube first. You got some new rims. Oh, it lowered a little bit. From driving, it actually lowered a little bit. The rear's not as bad as it was before. But yeah, still need smaller tires. Smaller tires in the front, smaller tires in the rear. Get some 215 35s, oh yeah. That's burnt plastic from the bumper. So I probably did it on this side too. Yeah. Damn, it built a hole in it already. It's been 2 minutes. Oh my God, that's funny. That's funny. But hey, again guys, this is a project. It's gonna take a little while. It's gonna take a while to make this thing look great, but we'll get there. We'll get there. It does look better on these wheels, even though it is like 2 inches higher. It does look better on these wheels, I think. Again, if it was lower, we'll make it look right. But yeah. So I'm gonna be lowering this thing immediately because it definitely needs to be lowered. And this idiot has an idea. So stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Deuces. See you in the next one.